Hi everyone. One of the benefits of being at Howard Springs is we get to do laundry. So today I'm going to do the laundry and I just thought I'd show you the bags. And what you'll see is they're very thin. Okay, so this is open and what you can see is it pulls apart like this. I'm going to put my washing in here and then they get tied with these red ties and the whole bag goes in the washing machine. So you don't take your clothes out of this bag when you get to the washing machine. The whole bag goes in the washing machine and this simply dissolves along the seam in the washing machine. Each block here has their own laundry, so we'll just go for a very short walk. This over here should be the laundry by my map. Okay, let's see how this works. Very nice, plenty of washing machines, nice space and things to wipe down whatever area we use for our own protection, other people's protection. And we'll turn that on. Simple and straightforward. I'll pick that up, wipe down the bench and go back to my room.